चैनल ट्वाइलाइट क्वीन बी। स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल में। और आज इस चैनल में आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। जैसे कि आप सबको ही जानते हैं कि बहुत जल्दी दुर्गा पूजा आ रहा है एंड आई एम सो मच एक्साइटेड जस्ट लाइक एवरी ईयर। तो आज का ये जो मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल है इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दुर्गा पूजा विजया दशमी लुक। अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, डोंट फॉरगेट इट, एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम let's start. This is OLAY moisturizing cream and it is one of my favorite moisturizing cream. It's very important to use a good moisturizer before starting your makeup so that your skin remain hydrated under the makeup. And the best part about this moisturizing cream is that you can also use it as your day cream as well as your night cream. After using moisturizing cream, I'm going to use CLINIQUE Pep Start Eye Cream. It is very important to keep your eyes hydrated as it is the most sensitive part of your face. It's very important to keep your lips as hydrated as your face before applying makeup. So today I'm going to use NICKA Serial Kisser Lip Balm Pomegranate. For primer, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Matte. I'm going to use this primer because it does give my skin a matte finish, and it is very important to use something related to matte primer which will keep your face away from sweat in humid weather. For foundation, I'm going to use NICKA Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 07 Hot Honey. To keep your foundation last longer, it is very important to apply a primer beneath your foundation. I am using a beauty blender to blend my foundation, and oh my god, I'm really impressed with this foundation, that is NICKA Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I mean, like, wow, look at this. It does gives a medium to high coverage. That's really impressive. Look at my face. Wow, I am so happy. I mean, like, seriously, मैंने सिर्फ एक लेयर फाउंडेशन का अप्लाई किया है अभी तक, नॉट इवन 2 लेयर, एंड इट जस्ट कवर्ड माई ब्राउन स्पॉट्स जो कि एक्नी स्कार्स की वजह से हुआ है. And wow, I'm really impressed. For my neck, मैं एक flat buffing brush यूज़ कर रही हूँ as it make it very easy to use and doesn't consume so much time. After foundation, I am using Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define in the shade C10 to hide my dark circles. Now this is one of my favorite concealer as it do conceal my dark circle or few spots which I have, but yeah, thanks to this foundation I don't need to conceal much. But yeah, you can purchase this concealer if you want high coverage. One important thing you should always remember while using beauty blender, don't rub the concealer, just dab into your skin so that your skin will soak the concealer. After using concealer, now is the time to use a loose powder, and my favorite drugstore loose powder is Maybelline New York Fit Me. And though my shade is light, but recently I purchased light medium as light was not available. I'm going to do a glam eyeshadow look today. So for that reason I'm going to keep this loose powder underneath my eyes so that if there कोई भी fall out हुआ eyeshadow से तो वो मेरे foundation और skin के साथ mix होके mess ना बन जाए, for that reason. Now for eyebrows, I am going to use my favorite one, and that is NICKA Brow Chika WOW eyebrow pencil in the shade of Coven Cocoa 01. It does have a spoolie and also it is not retractable one, but the formula is very creamy and it's very easy to apply, especially for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, then I will really suggest you to use this, to purchase this, and you will really like it. After using eyebrow pencil, I am going to use a concealer to get a clean look. Today I am going to use NYX's Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Warm Rust. I am going to use this peachy coral color as my transition shade. After blending the transition shade, I am going to use this burgundy, or you can say a deep purple shade, as my crease color. I am going to deepen up my crease using this color to give a very nice effect. This eyeshadow palette is very pigmented, so be careful and take very little amount at a time. I'm just bringing this down to my outer corner as well. So I'm deepening the outer corner and crease. Then I am going to use the deep brown matte color from the eyeshadow palette. After that, I am going to use a concealer so that I can have a cut crease eyeshadow look. After that, I am going to take the golden, like highly pigmented golden color from NICKA New York Perfect 9 color eyeshadow palette. To blend this golden color with the brown shade, I am going to use the slightly light shimmery shade from the NYX's Warm Rust palette. And see how beautifully it got blended and there is no harsh line. After that, I am going to take the deep burgundy shade and as well as that deep brown matte shade from NYX's Warm Rust eyeshadow palette. And then I am going to use a black Kajal from Lotus. It is Ecostay Kajal and it is smudge proof and waterproof. And this Kajal is like my favorite one. I'm going to use Black Magic Liquid Liner by NICKA. It is really a fine liner which I really like it. It is inexpensive. All you need to do is to apply it 2 to 3 times. Like you have to rebuild it to get a glossy finish. For mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favorite Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. After using mascara, मैं false eyelashes use करने वाली हूँ, but this is really optional. If you're not interested, you can skip this part. Then I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade E7491. After contouring, I'm going to use the blush from NYX, and this is in the shade Summer HD Bees 05. I really like this blush. It is like my all-time favorite as it is very pigmented and it is buildable. For highlight, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade E321B, that is Precious Petal. I am also going to contour my nose. For lipstick, I'm going to use Estee Lauder Pure Color Love 310 Bar Red. It is a very sweet red color and this will go with the look. To set my makeup, I'm going to use Color Bar Stay the Day Finishing Mist. After using the mist, I'm really feeling very refreshed and really nice. As it is a traditional look, so I'm going to use a red bindi. So yes, this is the complete look after wearing the jewelry and the sari. But though I'm unmarried, but I want to see how it will go with the married woman. So I chose to use Chambord Extreme Wear Liquid Lipstick as a sindoor. And let's see how it suits or how this look go with sindoor.
This is the look which I created for Durga Puja Dashami. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. क्या आप लोगों ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया मेरा चैनल? क्यों? आप लोगों को तो पता है ना, सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री है, लाइक भी फ्री होता है. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like my videos. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that मैं जब भी आऊँ हर वीक आप लोग को मेरा नोटिफिकेशन ज़रूर मिले. फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Bye bye.